Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, I will teach you the sixth stanza, which is also the last stanza of the poem Enterprise, composed by Nissim Ezekiel. In my previous videos, we have read that a group of pilgrims started a journey moved by noble aspirations and thoughts. During their journey, they faced many kinds of difficulties and problems. Even there occurred several types of disputes in this group of pilgrims, and some of them quit their journey and moved away. And now I am going to start the sixth stanza of this poem. And here in this sixth stanza of the poem, the poet writes, "When finally we reached the palace, we hardly knew why we were there. The trip had darkened every face. Our deeds were neither great nor rare. Home is where we have to gather grass." And the difficult word meanings of this stanza are: finally means at last, in the end. Palace, here palace means destination. Hardly means scarcely. Grass means God's mercy and favor. And now it is time for the explanation of this stanza. In this stanza, the pilgrims, exhausted, tired, and frustrated, finally reach their destination or goal. At the end of the journey, the pilgrims do not remember the aim of their enterprise. They have forgotten the object of their life. There is no joy of fulfillment on their faces. Instead of bringing a sense of fulfillment and achievement, the journey has only brought them frustration. The pilgrims now started to doubt the importance of their journey. They begin to find it futile and meaningless. They find nothing heroic in their achievements. They realize now that their deeds have been neither great nor rare. They forget their noble aspiration. Everyone is hopeless. None of them finds anything heroic in their journey, as a number of other pilgrims had already achieved the goal, already reached this destination. This gave them a sense of disillusionment, and they felt that their journey was futile or useless. In the end, they feel that living at home with inner satisfaction is the biggest achievement of all. Hence, the journey that started with enthusiasm ends with grief, despair, regret, and hopelessness. Thus, through this poem, the poet is trying to give us an important lesson for life. Actually, the last line of the poem, home is where we have together grass. This line contains the essence of the whole poem. The poet wants to say that home is the palace where we pray to God and receive His mercy and favor. Thus, the poet wants to say that we must accept the limitations of our lot and do our best within those limitations. We can get divine help, blessings, and favor at home. And with this, it is the end of this poem, Enterprise, written by Nissim Ezekiel. I hope you have enjoyed this poem. Thank you.